we're eating it. We're eating, dude. Come on. Get on it. I got my plate.
This is you on the guitar.
This is me, yeah. All right, let's go.
Can I play my harmonica?
Yeah, you can. Oh, look at that. Look at their spaghetti, chicken. We got our prime rib. Stir that up. We got our seasoning. Oh, we got Kurtis Maximus on guitar. There we go.
Okay, where's those knives though? Right here.
This is living right here. Look at that. We got our chicken kebabs. Oh man, that's looking good.
I need a fish kebab.
Oh man, perfect. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Ooh, I want my decent fat.
Oh man.
Okay, so.
All right, gotta get some spaghetti on there. Here's the favorite part of this song.
You see that? You didn't even give me an olive.
Right here,
Where
dude.
I want my olive?
Right there, there's the olive.
Oh, give me an olive.
You're gonna get.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Uh-oh, we don't want that. There we go. All right.
Okay, hold on. Serve me up, sir.
What are you talking? That's
asparagus.
Oh, asparagus. There we go, right there.
Thank you, sir.
Oh man, does that look good or what? All right.
Hold on. Can't
Some
forget.
seasoning on that.
Parmesan cheese. Hold on.
Okay, right here. That's what I'm talking about. All right. I gotta get this going.
Okay.
Put this over here.
You got your
Here,
plate.
you hold this. Hold this.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Get some spaghetti.
Hey.
Some that.
Your mother says eat your olive.
I'll put a couple on there just to make you happy. There we go. Oh, look at that. Got that. We got some prime rib. Am I getting this meat? That might be too much steak. I don't know.
You gotta beat your tapeworm,
All right,
Kurt.
we got some asparagus. There we go. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, dude. That's what I'm talking about right there. All right.
Okay. Oh, you see that noodle hanging there? He got every last noodle. That actually may have been his friend, the tapeworm.
Oh, dude. Where's the garlic bread?
No, the garlic powder.
Oh, all right.
Okay, let's see how much. I love Parmesan cheese. Let's see how much Kurt likes.
Throw some on there.
Oh, look at the expertise that's going into it.
Look at that.
Julia Childs would be proud of
Oh,
him.
right. Oh, there's a clop. What's up with the clops?
You gotta put it through the. Oh,
Oh,
see,
man.
the.
Party
You
foul,
got no
party
the
foul.
lid. You open it up. There's the
Oh.
shaker. Oh, see, I had to teach him how to put his Parmesan cheese on.
Whatever's.
Okay, over and out.
Now I got to eat with a spoon.
I don't know what.
Well, we got the tequila seasoning over there. We didn't put any tequila seasoning on there. See? We got the tequila seasoning.
No. I don't even know where that came from. Somebody left it here.